Hey everybody, it's Scott with the Davis team back for a Wow Wednesday, Words of Wisdom Wednesday. Today we're going to touch on what happens when your loan gets sold. This whole process, this whole mortgage process is kind of the great unknown for a lot of folks. Even if you bought a home 3, 4, or 5 times, or once, or never, it's a Greek foreign language. So one of the big touch points is what happens when my loan gets sold. People are worried about it, and rightfully so. There's so many scams out there. There's a lot of ways to make sure that we're staying on top of identity theft and things like that, especially when it comes to mortgages. But today we're going to talk specifically about what happens when your loan gets sold. And literally, the only thing that changes is who you write your check to. Your terms can't change, your loans can't change, they can't charge you a fee. There's nothing there but a little bit of a pain in the ass changing it if you've already set up your automatic payments. What's gonna happen is you're gonna go to settlement. You're gonna get a first payment letter in your title package. So if you're ever wondering when your payment is due, your first payment, it's in that package. But when you work with the Davis team, you can always call us and we'll make sure that we have that for you. Mortgages are paid in arrears, so your first payment typically isn't until the month after. So you close on July 15th, write that date down, it's my birthday, you can never forget now. So you close on July 15th, you're gonna skip your August payment. You're not really gonna skip it, payments are in arrears. So September 1st, you're gonna pay the interest in principal that's due for the month before. So when you go to settlement on July 15th, we're gonna collect interest for the rest of that month. And that's what allows us to skip that, because that August 1st payment, you've already paid at settlement. So you're gonna get a first payment letter, which is again, probably 45 days later in this circumstance. And you might get, by the time your first payment's due, you might get what's called a hello letter and a goodbye letter. And these are very important. So if you only take this away from this video, it's that hello and goodbye letter. Hello from ABC Mortgage. We've bought your mortgage from cross country. Please send your payment here moving forward. Here's your new loan number. You're gonna get a coinciding goodbye letter that says that exact same thing. Hey, it's Scott with the Davis team. Thank you very much for allowing us to help you, guide you through this process. We've sold your loan to ABC Mortgage. Here's all your new information. Make sure those match up, because once you do buy a home, all your information is public record. When you bought it, who has the mortgage, what the amount is. So there's a lot of scams out there. So get those 2 letters, and even if you get those 2 letters and have questions, we're always here for you. But the hello goodbye letter is very important when it comes to what happens when my loan gets sold. That's really the takeaway here. Look for those letters, and if there's anything that you need, call me, 703-209-3138. Happy Wednesday. I'll see you guys next week. If you need anything before then, give me a shout. Thanks. Bye.